Just a quick update about my Bluetooth headphone project. I gave up on building a box for the electronics, so here you go. I just mounted the circuit board with a screw on the headphone, the battery with electrical tape, and that's it. I cut the headphones wire short and soldered on a 3.5mm jack, and that one goes into the additional port I soldered on and glued on. It's hot glued onto the circuit board. So yeah, let me show you how it works. I press this button with a nail on. It's harder to press just with the skin. So I want you to hear this when I power it on. It's already paired with one of my phones. So, come on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So, it's connected, and this LED is really bright. So let's give it some sound. And then it starts blinking. It's playing back a Dota game. Yeah. So that's how it looks. And I'll probably leave it this way. If the battery doesn't last long enough, then I will just connect one of these bigger batteries, like this one. I connect it to the two wires and then charge it once a week maybe with an external charger, no problem. So yeah, the other question I need to answer is if the microphone works. So with the phone I couldn't try it. It doesn't recognize it as a headset with microphone, but I read some reviews online and people were able to use it with a laptop, for example, for Zoom calls and for other stuff, for Facebook Live. And it should be possible. For that I have to buy a new Bluetooth adapter for my desktop PC. I don't have a laptop. In an old laptop I have only Bluetooth 2, and that doesn't really support audio. I don't know how. It supports some very low quality audio. The headphone doesn't even want to connect with, so yeah. That's it for now. It doesn't look pretty, but it works, and it's really good quality sound if you can find a good source. Some YouTube channels and online audio streaming is really bad quality, but if you find a good one, then it's excellent. I wouldn't say perfect, because it's cheap Chinese electronics, but really good, in my opinion. So yeah, that was my conversion of the $10 headphones into a better audio listening solution with the Philips headphones that are really old, and I need to find a solution to replace these ear cuffs. They are really worn out. And yeah, that's another project. Maybe next time.